Hello, all my leaders who are pickleball players and all my pickleball players who are leaders. Guys, I'm really excited to share a product that we developed based on a study that we did with leaders and pickleball players just like you. It's the Transforming Leadership Skills and Team Cohesion Through Pickleball Play workshop. Now, this unique one-half-day leadership development program helps small businesses, corporate teams, community groups, and educators improve their team's leadership capabilities without sitting in a boring classroom or experiencing death by PowerPoint. Now, this pickleball-themed leadership development programs helps cultivate high-performing, adaptive, and united teams that can effectively navigate the complexities and challenges of the modern workplace. Now, during this one-half-day workshop, you'll discover the unexpected leadership lessons in pickleball, but more importantly, you'll have fun, relieve stress, and improve your teamwork without sitting in a classroom all day. This program is based on hands-on pickleball basics and techniques, so you'll be playing a lot of pickleball. But we also help you enhance your communication and adaptability skills and make leadership connections by exploring the parallels between pickleball, teamwork, and people management. You'll even tackle leadership challenges inspired by pickleball scenarios and get a chance to engage in friendly round-robin pickleball competition. Now, one cool thing about this workshop is that it's highly customizable. We can customize it for your industry and bring in stories and scenarios that strike a chord with your team. We can modify the duration to fit your schedule. We can adjust the physical exercises to meet the physical abilities of your team. And we can deliver this workshop wherever you need, indoors or outdoors. So, if you're interested in improving your team's leadership skills while having fun and relieving stress without sitting in a boring classroom or experiencing death by PowerPoint, click on the button below and book a call today.